Hello wood mice and dormice, you are doing really well with your maths learning this week. I'm going to carry on by looking at different ways of making numbers 3, 4 and 5 today. We're going to warm up our brains first of all, and you can see there's lots of images on the board here. Now one of them is the odd one out, so it's not the same value, the same number as what the other pictures are showing. So I'm going to give you a moment to work out which one it is, and when you found it, I want you to tell your grown-up how you know it is that one. So I'll pause for a moment, and if you need a little bit longer, then you can pause the video. Okay, have you found the odd one out? That's right, it is this one here. And the reason it is the odd one out is because it is showing 3, whereas the other pictures are all showing 4. How do we know that this is 3? What can you see? You could count them, or you might have not needed to count them, because straight away I can see I've got a 2 and a 1, and 2 and 1 makes 3. I want you to tell your grown-up now how you know that this is 4. That's right. We can see a 2 and a 2, so all together we have got 4. So our odd one out today was this one here, because it was showing 3, and all of the other images are showing 4. Today in our maths learning, we are going to set up a bit of a picnic. Now I've got some aliens and some plates here, and some little cookies, but what you need to have is some soft toys, so 2 soft toys. You might want to use teddies, you might have a favourite dinosaur toy that you want to use, so you need 2. Some plates in front of you, or you might just want to cut out some circles, and then 4 objects. And then we're going to work on having a picnic. So if you do it with me to begin with, and then afterwards I'm going to give you time to have a go at setting up your own picnic. So here we go, we've got our 2 aliens, and now have a lovely time having a picnic. We have got 4 cookies, and what we need to do is work out how many ways we can split our 4 cookies between our 2 aliens. So just like we've been practicing earlier in the week, we've been doing it with a part whole model, and we're going to put that into practice today. And we're going to work out how many ways can we do it with our different aliens. I'm going to start off by taking one from my whole. So I've got 4 cookies, so 4 is the whole, and I'm going to give 1 cookie to this alien, and this one is extra lucky because to start with he's going to have 3 cookies. Now to help me to remember that, I am just going to underneath just write how many each alien has. So this alien has got 1 cookie, and this alien has got 3 cookies. So if you have any post-it notes or pieces of paper just underneath, I'd like you just to write how many each alien has got. So this alien this time has got 1, and this alien has got 3. Now I'm going to find a different way of splitting my 4 cookies between my 2 aliens to see if I can find another way of doing it. This time I am going to give this alien 2 cookies and this alien 2 cookies. So this time I've split my 4 again into 2 parts, sharing them between my 2 aliens. And this time, how many has this alien got? That's right, this alien has got 2 cookies, and this alien has also got 2 cookies. So I'm just writing those numbers underneath so I know how many different ways that I've found. So I know that this one has had 1, and this one has 3. Now this one has had 2, and this one has had 2. Now I'm going to bring my cookies back up to the top, and I'm going to see if there's another way that I can split my cookies between my 2 aliens. So this time I am going to give all of the cookies to this alien here. So tell me what you notice now. That's right. This time, this alien has got 4 cookies and this alien has got 0. He has got no cookies on his plate. Now, I don't think that little alien's going to be very happy with that. So I'm going to find another way. And this time, I am going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 of my cookies on this alien's plate. And how many does this alien have? That's right. He has got 0 this time. So I'm going to write the numbers down to help me to remember. So this one's got 0 and this one has got 4. So for your challenge today, I would like you to set up your own picnic. So you're going to take 2 teddies. You're going to give them a plate. So you might want to use a real plate, or you might have a paper plate. Or if you don't, you can just cut out a circle. And then using 4 objects, you're going to split them between your 2 teddies, whatever you decide to use, and work out how many different ways you can do that. Now I'd like you to do it for number 5. So we've done some ways with 4 together, and I'd like you to work with 5 objects and see if you can do it for 5. Once you've done it with 5, you then might decide you want to go back and do it with 4 and 3. But to start with, I would like you to do it with 5 and challenge yourself to write down how many each alien has underneath on a piece of paper or on a post-it note. Once you've done that, your grown-ups can take a picture or they can send us a comment to let us know how you got on with today's challenge.